How to wear the surgical mask. Before touching the mask, wash your hands with soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Inspect the mask for any tear and holes. Fit the mask on your face blue side out. Secure the upper tie, first taking it above the ears and then secure the lower tie. Pinch the metal strip or strip edge on your nose, so it holds to the shape of your nose. Adjust the mask over your face, covering your nose and chin, making sure there is no gap between your face and the mask. Do not touch front of the mask to avoid contamination. Removal of surgical mask. Wash your hands using soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Untie the lower tie, proceed to upper tie and lift the mask off the face without touching the outer part. Discard in the black bag. Wash your hands using proper technique. How to wear your fitted N95 mask. Wash your hands using soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Inspect the mask for any tear and holes. Cup the respirator in your hands with the nose piece at your fingertips. Position the respirator under your chin with the nose piece up. Pull the top strap over your head and place at top back of your head. Pull the bottom strap over your head and position around the neck below the ears. Place the fingertips from both hands at the top of metal nose piece using two hands. Mold the nose areas to the shape of your nose by pushing inward and downwards. How to perform a seal check. To perform a seal check, place both hands completely over the mask and exhale. Be careful not to disturb the position of the respirator. If air leaks around the nose, readjust the nose piece. If air leaks around the respirator edges, adjust the position of the strap. How to reuse the N95 mask. If necessary, a disposable N95 respirator can reuse by the same person only within one shift. Use following precautions. A protective covering such as a procedure mask with ear loops or a clear plastic face shield should be worn over the respirator to protect it from surface contamination. Never touch the outer part of the surgical mask. How to store the N95 mask for reuse. Wash your hands and remove your surgical mask using proper technique. Then remove your particulate respiratory N95 mask. Wash your hands using soap and water or alcohol-based hand rub. Without touching the respirator, slowly lift the bottom strap from around your neck up over your head, then lift off the top strap. For discarding, put it in the yellow waste bin. For reuse, the respirator should be carefully stored between users in a receptacle that allows for some breathability, such as a paper bag. This must be labeled with the user's name, date and time of first use. The wearer should wash his or her hands before and after handling the respirator and the device used to shield it. These steps are intended for reuse of a respirator by a single person. Particulate respirator should be changed if it becomes wet and should never be kept hanging loose on the user's neck. Keep the receptacle only in designated places. Wash your hands.